Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Teams alerts for Dynamics 365 sales tasks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. In the left sidebar, select the Apps section. In the search bar, type Dynamics 365 and select the application. Once the app is open, locate the settings icon in the top right corner. Click on Settings to access the configuration options. Navigate to the Notifications tab in the left menu. Under Task Notifications, find the option for Alert Settings. Set your desired preferences for task completion alerts. You can choose to receive notifications via banner or email. Next, return to the main Teams interface. Go to the specific team or channel where you want to receive alerts. Click on the More Options button, represented by three dots next to the channel name. Select Channel Notifications from the drop-down menu. In the Notifications settings, enable alerts for message replies and mentions. You can also opt to receive notifications for all new messages in the channel. Now, close the Settings menu to save your preferences. To integrate alerts further, open Dynamics 365 in your browser. Log into your Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the Sales section from the dashboard. Select Settings, then choose Service Management. Find the Alerts option in the Settings menu. Create a new alert by selecting New. Fill in the required fields, defining the conditions for your alerts. Choose Microsoft Teams as the delivery method for notifications. Ensure that you assign the alert to the relevant users or teams. Save the newly created alert settings. Return to Microsoft Teams to confirm that the alerts are functioning. Test the setup by completing a task in Dynamics 365. Check Microsoft Teams for any incoming alerts or notifications. Adjust your settings in either application as needed to fine-tune the experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.